Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to the Big Top. See the ferocious lion, thrill to the fabulous monkey, laugh along with the hilarious clown. See that life is a three-ring circus.
He's seen every town west of Mississippi. He's just a face painted all in smiles, jumping up and down and making people happy. Though deep inside a shadow grows, he could laugh and no one knows there's a lonely man inside. Life is a three-ring circus, all of the ups and downs of a carousel that I know so well. Life is a three-ring circus, just one little ride on a merry-go-round, going round and round and round and round and round. He does the dance like the minstrels did, just to please the kids and keep the people laughing. His turned up nose lurks a lonely beggar. He needs the love he spreads around, but in life he's just a clown till they bring the curtain down. Life is a three-ring circus, all of the ups and downs of a carousel that I know so well. Life is a three-ring circus, just one little ride on a merry-go-round, going round and round and round and round and round. Just too blind to see that the clown is real